Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our fun yoga time. Today, we'll try some awesome yoga poses. Ready? Let's begin. Sit cross-legged and rest your hands on your knees. Sit tall and relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Place your feet on your opposite legs. Sit straight and calm like a peaceful yogi. Breathe slowly and stay relaxed. Stand tall like a strong mountain. Keep your back straight and your body still. Take a deep breath in and out. Lift one foot and place it on your leg. Bring your hands together above your head. Balance like a tall tree in the wind. Bend your knees like you're sitting in a chair. Raise your arms up high. Stay strong and steady. Step one foot forward and bend your knee. Lift your arms up toward the sky. Feel strong like a brave warrior. Stretch your arms out wide. Look over your front hand. Stay balanced and powerful. Stretch your body to the side. Place one hand on your leg and lift the other up. Feel the stretch along your body. Slowly bend forward. Reach your hands toward the floor. Relax your neck and breathe. Lift your back halfway up. Keep your spine long and straight. Look gently forward. Place your hands and feet on the mat. Lift your hips high into an upside-down V. Stretch your arms and legs. Keep your body straight like a strong board. Press your hands firmly into the floor. Stay strong and steady. Lie on your belly and press your hands into the mat. Lift your chest up gently. Open your heart and smile. Sit back on your heels. Lower your forehead to the mat. Relax and breathe slowly. Round your back like a stretching cat. Tuck tuck your chin slightly down. Feel your spine stretch. Drop your belly and lift your head. Open your chest forward. Take a deep breath. Lie on your back and lift your hips up. Press your feet into the floor. Hold strong and steady. Sit tall with legs straight. Reach forward toward your toes. Stretch your back and legs. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Let your knees open like butterfly wings. Sit tall and relax. Lie down on your back and relax. Let your arms rest beside you. Take a slow breath in and out. Amazing work today, little yogis. Your body is strong and your mind is calm. Take one last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. See you in the next yoga adventure.